In the figure, OP equal small p, OQ equal small q, and PR, vector PR equal 3 times vector PQ. Find OR. Find the vector OR. Solution, directly you can put from the given condition. Either from the given condition or directly OR. In triangle OPR, vector OR equal OP plus PR. Triangle law of vector addition, or OR, OP is small p, PR is unknown. So PR is, how to find PR? Thrice PQ. This is given. PR equal thrice PQ given, equal P is P plus thrice PQ भनेको PO plus OQ vector. PQ PO plus OQ. What? Triangle law of vector addition in triangle OPQ. Triangle of vector addition. Or OR equal yo small p plus 3 PO equal minus OP plus OQ equal small q. PO equal minus OP, or OR is small r. Vector P plus 3 OP is minus vector P plus Q. Remove the bracket. P minus 3P plus 3Q. Therefore, OR equal small r equal thrice Q minus 1 minus 3 twice P answer. This is one method. There is another method also. From this, यहाँबाट पनि लिन सकिन्छ. PR equal 3PQ. PR condition. PR equal PO plus OR. त्यहाँबाट पनि लिन्छ. 3PQ भनेको PO plus OQ. From this condition also, you can find the value of OR easily. Sometimes from the given condition, sometimes directly. कहिलेकाहीँ OR निकाल्नु छ, OR को भ्यालु केसँग लान सकिन्छ? अननोनलाई नोन भ्यालुमा लान सकिन्छ. कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ गिवन कन्डिसनबाटै ट्रायंगल ल अप्लाई गर्ने. Apply the triangle law from the given condition. Now, question number 24. The question is this: prove vectorially that if the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at 90 degree. It is also called orthogonally. It is a rhombus. What is a rhombus? Definition. A rhombus is a quadrilateral with all sides equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Rhombus हो भने यसको theorem के छ भन्दाखेरि the diagonals of a, see, theorem is this. Suppose this is a rhombus. If it is a rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other. But if the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree, it is a rhombus. Theorem के हुन्छ? All sides equal, diagonals यो 90 degree देखाउँछ. यसको converse given चाहिँ to prove चाहिँ given. Here theorem मा this figure is a rhombus. To prove diagonals intersect at 90 degree. Here given is diagonals bisect at 90 degree. To prove this is a rhombus, it means this equal this. So theorem and converse. Solution: prove vectorially that if the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at 90 degree, it is a that parallelogram is a rhombus. It means make a rhombus. The parallelogram is rhombus. Actually, the parallelogram figure is this. This is a parallelogram. This is a rhombus. The difference is this. But here, according to given condition, since the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree, A, B, C, D, this is given. What is given? The given is A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram given. Diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at 90 degree. That means AC is perpendicular to BD. In the theorem, you have to prove AC is perpendicular to BD. Theorem ma AC is perpendicular to BD prove गर्ने. तर यसमा चाहिँ given चाहिँ AC is perpendicular to BC छ. To prove, what to prove? A, B, C, D is a rhombus. It is already a parallelogram. This equal this, opposite sides are already equal. But to prove ABCD is a rhombus, AB equal BC. Adjacent sides equal. To prove ABCD is a rhombus. Prove. What to give? How to prove? In triangle ABC, for the sake of convenience, I'll rub out. Okay. Given condition, ABCD is a parallelogram. Diagonals AC is perpendicular to diagonal BD. That is given. To prove ABCD is a rhombus, it means AB equal BC. To prove. Proof in triangle ABC, can you write AC equal AB plus BC? Yes, AB plus BC. You can write AB plus BC. Equation number 1. In triangle BCD, what is the reason? Triangle law of vector addition. In triangle BCD, what can you write? BD equal BC plus CD. BC plus CD. Triangle law of vector addition. BC plus CD is BD. Triangle law of vector addition. For the sake of convenience, I draw it. Or BD equal BC is BC plus CD equal BA. Opposite sides of the parallel. In compulsory math, CD equal AB. यसै गर्नु छ भने माथिबाट आउनु हुँदैन. Same direction हुनुपर्छ. The direction must be same. Or BD equal BC plus BA is minus AB. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. Already you have written AC equal AB plus BC. Equation number 1. From equation number 1, AC equal AB plus BC and BD equal BC plus CD. Means BD equal BC minus AB. Taking the dot product what can you write? BD dot AC, or you can write AD AC dot BD, BD dot AC, any means AC dot BD equal, can you write AC as BC plus AB? Yes, BC plus AB dot BD, BD equal BC vector minus AB vector. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Vector BC whole square minus vector AB whole square. This is BC square minus AB square, because vector A whole square is A square. It becomes a scalar. But what is given? AC is perpendicular to BD given. AC is perpendicular to BD given. Therefore, AC dot BD equal 0. अर्थात AC र BD perpendicular मा छन् भने तिनीहरुको डट प्रोडक्ट 0 हुन्छ. और 0 इक्वल यो यसको भ्यालु AC डट BD को भ्यालु 0 या BC स्क्वायर माइनस AB स्क्वायर, और AB लाई त ल्याउने ट्रान्सपोज AB स्क्वायर इक्वल BC स्क्वायर, और AB equal BC. AB equal BC, but AB equal DC and BC equal AD given. यहाँ के आएको छ? AB equal BC आयो, but AB equal DC given opposite sides of the parallelogram, and BC equal AD. AB equal BC, AB equal BC, BC equal AD, but AB equal DC. AB equal BC, AB equal DC बनाने, BC equal CD, but BC is equal to AD. Therefore, all sides are equal. Since all the sides are equal, it is a rhombus. It means it shows that AB equal BC equal CD equal DA. AB, BC, CD, DA all are equal. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. QED. See, theorem and converse. In theorem हेर्नु त, if ABCD is a rhombus, prove that AC is perpendicular to BD. ABCD rhombus हो भन्नाले all the sides are equal. To prove AC equal, AC and BD are perpendicular. But converse of the theorem is, if the diagonals bisect each other, if the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at 90 degree, this parallelogram is a rhombus. Special type of parallelogram is a rhombus. भन्नाले यहाँ चाहिँ AC dot BD चाहिँ AC is perpendicular to BD भनेर given मान्ने. AC dot BD equal 0 because AC is perpendicular to BD. AC dot BD को value BC plus AB into BC minus AB. A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. Vector ला हटाउने BC square minus AB square. But AC is perpendicular to BD. It means the dot product is 0. Therefore, यसको ठाउँमा यो 0 लेख्ने, यसको भ्यालु BC square minus AB square. 0 equal BC square minus AB square. It means AB square equal BC square. Or removing squares, AB equal BC. AB equal BC, but AB equal DC and BC equal AD. It means AB, BC, CD and DA are all equal. So ABCD is a rhombus. Theorem मा के हुन्छ? If ABCD is a rhombus, AC is perpendicular to BD. यसको कन्भर्स थ्योरममा के हुन्छ? If AC is perpendicular to BD and ABCD is a parallelogram, ABCD must be a rhombus. Rhombus हो भने डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट हुन्छ, डट प्रोडक्ट 0 देखाउने. यदि डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट हुन्छ 90 डिग्री हुन्छ भने डट प्रोडक्ट 0 चाहिँ गिवन मान्ने. डट प्रोडक्ट 0 गिवन मान्ने, परपेंडिकुलर भएकोले र रोम्बस देखाउनको लागि अपोजिट साइड्स अलरेडी इक्वल छ, एडजेसेन्ट साइड्स इक्वल देखाउने, यो र यो एडजेसेन्ट साइड, यु नो एडजेसेन्ट साइड्स दिस यसलाई एडजेसेन्ट भनिन्छ। अनि फेरि यसको एडजेसेन्ट यो, फेरि यसको एडजेसेन्ट यो, अनि यसको एडजेसेन्ट यो, फेरि यसको एडजेसेन्ट यो। यसरी एडजेसेन्ट साइड्स भनेको सँगसँगै आउने, एबी एन्ड बिसी, बिसी एन्ड सिडी, सिडी एन्ड डिए, डिए एन्ड एबी। Adjacent sides equal. If adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal, it must be a rhombus. In this way, this theorem can be proved.